Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Microsoft app that fits your goal: Designer for quick layouts, PowerPoint for slides, Word for documents. Set your canvas size and import assets right away: images, logo, and color hex codes, so layout decisions stay consistent. Once assets are in, create a grid or guides and drop in 1 to 3 primary elements per frame. This reduces rework and makes alignment decisions logical. Make sure to save a versioned file name as you go, so you can revert. Now you build the visual system. Establish a grid and enable snap to guides for precise placement. This speeds iteration. Choose typography hierarchy, H1, H2 body, and set sizes and weights so readability stays consistent across screens and print. Next, apply your color palette: primary, accent, and background with accessible contrast. Test at 100% and at 50% opacity. Once done, create reusable components: buttons, headers, footers, so you can copy-paste without breaking spacing or style rules. This maintains cohesion across the project. Finish by grouping elements and making a master slide or template so changes propagate. Export using appropriate settings: PNG or SVG for independent graphics, PDF for print-ready files, and verify DPI or pixel dimensions before delivery. If problems appear, check layer order, hidden guides, and font embedding. These are common culprits. If exports look off, reopen the file, toggle visibility, and export a single page to isolate the issue. Keep a backup copy, and then deliver the final files with brief usage notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.